If you want to cut energy costs and benefit from a brilliant way to create more storage space, then check out StoreFloor, a unique raised loft boarding system from LoftZone that cuts your heating bills and creates usable floor space for your home. Suitable for most property types, StoreFloor transforms your gloomy loft into a tidy and smart energy-saving storage space. The flooring sits above up to 350mm of insulation and protects it, because squashing it with boxes or boarding doubles your heat loss. StoreFloor also helps airflow, which prevents dampness and keeps wiring safely covered. The result? An award-winning system that offers easy access to safe, bright, energy-efficient storage, and it creates space for the rest of your home too. So save on energy costs and create the storage space you need. Click the link for further information and you'll see why 100,000 customers love LoftZone.